Hello guys, my name is Putra Alvino. So I'm going to show you about a dish called Sambal Pecel. It is a popular dish from East Java, so especially in Kediri, and I'm going to downstairs now to make the Sambal Pecel. Let's go. Okay guys, so I'm downstairs now. So it's been 11 p.m. so I have to speak quietly. So I'm gonna take the Sambal Pecel paste. This. It looks like a solid firm base, so you have to boil water to mix it and turn it into sauce. So after you boil the water, just pick a spoon of pecel paste. This. And then pour the boiled water. Then mix it. After you mix it and find this consistency, so after you mixed it and you found this consistency, and it is ready to serve. Okay guys, so now I'm upstairs, so I'm gonna show you the dish. Basically pecel is a simple dish, just with rice. Then I'm gonna add fried egg, and then I'm gonna add bean sprouts, and I'm gonna add the sambal pecel itself. It's like a paste. Yeah, it's a sauce. Okay, so before I'm eating this, I'm gonna explain you this pecel is from Kediri. So it's very popular in Kediri. It's called pecel kuda because the seller of this pecel selling this pecel in front of jewelry store called Toko Mas Kuda. So I'm gonna eat this now. Oh yeah, I forgot. The most important condiment when you eat pecel is peyek. So it's like a crackers made from flour and spices, and then peanuts. So let's go eat it. Okay guys, so now I'm done eating, and I will going to explain you the story about Sambal Pecel and peyek. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna explain you about the history of Pecel. So Pecel is a typical Japanese food originating from the special region of Yogyakarta and has been around since the 9th century. This traditional food that is rich in nutrition is very popular in Indonesia, especially in East Java and Central Java. So Pecel is a food consisting of boiled vegetables and side dishes served with a different base according to the city where Pecel comes from. Vegetables that are included in Pecel are long beans, bean sprouts, and basil leaves. However, the variety of vegetables used also varies based on the region and the diversity of vegetables available in that season and region. The peanut sauce that is poured over Pecel is called Sambal Pecel, which is made from a mixture of kencur, brown sugar, salt, chili, kecombrang, kaffir lime leaves, and roasted peanuts, which are mixed, pounded, and or ground. Apart from that, there are also those who add spring onions and tamarind to the warm water mixture to dilute the Pecel sauce. In certain areas, Pecel seasoning is mixed with sweet potato to increase the thickness and texture of the Pecel seasoning. Another variation that can be found is the addition of chili sauce to the spices. In Ponorogo, peanut sauce is also used to season Ponorogo satay. Then it began to be known outside Ponorogo because it was brought by the Ponorogo Warok during the Dutch East Indies era, who migrated to various regions in Indonesia, especially in East Java and outside Indonesia. This food is also similar to gado-gado. The difference is the mixture of ingredients and the texture of the seasoning. Then, in the northern part of Ponorogo, there is a variant of Pecel seasoning that adds turmeric, so it is popular with the people of Madiun, then known as Pecel Madiun. And then I will explain you about the history of peyek. So peyek was discovered in the 16th century in Yogyakarta. This is explained in the Graf's article entitled Mataram Islam. At that time, in order to carry out the village bedol ordered by Sultan Hadiwijaya, Ki Ageng Pakarahan and his entourage went on a trip. Approximately, they covered on the distance between Surakarta and Alas Mentau. At the end of the journey, the group was picked up by Ki Gede Karanglo, where they met on the edge of the Opak River. Before heading to Ki Gede Karanglo's residence, they rested for a moment on the edge of the river. The Karanglo waiters served food in the form of white rice, pecel vegetables, peyek, and kenikir vegetables. So that was the first time that peyek was considered as a side dish that had a unique taste to enhance the taste of bland food, such as eating just rice and vegetables. Since then, rempeyek has become known. Rempeyek, or more often called peyek, comes from a combination of the words rempah and jiek. This word means jiek-shaped food, which means fat and white, which is made with the addition of basic spices. This food is included in the category of fried snacks or complementary dishes. So, rempeyek is made from a mixture of rice flour and starch. It also includes toppings of shrimp, anchovies, ebi, spinach, or nuts such as peanuts or green beans, and many more. Usually, the most popular one is peanut brittle. Additional seasonings for peyek are also very simple. There are garlic, galangal, salt, candle nuts, and sliced lime leaves. Put all the ingredients together and stir thoroughly with water until thickened. After that, just fry it. Okay guys, so I have explained you about the story of Pecel and peyek, and I'm very full right now, and this food is so enjoyable, and Pecel Kediri is the best Pecel. Yeah, the best Pecel. So that's it, and I'm gonna end it. So thank you and bye bye.